Once upon a time, there lived a girl in the kingdom of Magadha. One day, while playing, she threw a firebrand at a dog that was eating her corn, and a goat's coat caught fire. Mad with fear, it ran to a haystack and started rubbing against it. The haystack was soon ablaze. The fire spread to the barn and then to the stables in which the royal elephants were housed. Some of the elephants were badly hurt. Before the fire was finally put out, the men looking after the elephants could not heal their wounds. So the king sent for his own physician.
Go and bring our physician. The royal elephants have to be healed of their burns immediately.
The physician was called. On the way to the palace, the physician lay down under a tree for a nap. Hardly had he closed his eyes that the thorny branch of a tree fell on him and hit him on his forehead. He got up with a start and found a crow sitting on a branch directly above.
You stupid crow! I will teach you a lesson!
He wiped his face and left for the palace.
Great King, greetings to you, Your Highness. May I know the reason for inviting me?
Some of our elephants are suffering from wounds, and you have to heal them fast. You should find a suitable medicine for this.
The physician thought for a while. Physician to himself,
I should teach the crow a proper lesson. My lord, there is a proper medicine for speedy recovery. Crow's fat should be applied on the burns of the elephant. The burns would be healed in 2 days.
Is it so?
True, my lord.
Get crow's fat fast and heal the elephants.
news reached the elephants of the royal castle. One of the senior elephants was dead set against the idea of killing the crows. he went straight to the king.
My lord, you should please permit me to speak a few words.
Yes, proceed. You are the king of our elephant army.
My lord, to punish one person, the entire community should not be punished.
What happened?
My lord, I think our physician has a personal grudge against a crow and he wants to punish all the crows. That's why he has asked for all the crows to be killed.
How do you make such a charge?
My lord, everyone knows that crows do not have fat. We will get cured on our own, so please do not kill the crows for our sake.
The king understood the truth.
Bring the physician. He must be punished.
Great king, please do not repeat the mistake that the physician has committed. Also, please don't give him a violent punishment. Please send him away. I hope you understand, my lord.
The king praised the intelligence of the elephant and took its advice. Once upon a time, in a thick forest, there lived on a banyan tree a sparrow with her husband. They built a nest, and the sparrow laid her eggs in the nest.
This place is full of wild animals. Take care of the nest and the eggs.
That afternoon, a wild and haughty elephant took refuge from the burning sun under the shade of the tree. The elephant was a fierce one. It crushed all small animals that came its way. It saw the nest on top of the tree. Suddenly, in a fit of rage, the elephant broke a branch of the tree on which the nest was built. All the eggs of the sparrow got crushed, though it escaped unhurt.
What will I do now? All our eggs are crushed.
Calm down. We will move from here.
How can you say that? The elephant destroyed our nest and our eggs wantedly. I saw him looking at the nest. He broke the branch and crushed our eggs. I will kill the elephant.
How can we kill an elephant? Even wild animals cannot do that.
A woodpecker, a close friend of the she-sparrow, heard her crying and was moved by her grief.
Why are you crying, my friend?
If we have the will, we can certainly find a way. The wicked elephant has destroyed my eggs. If you are a true friend of mine, suggest a way to kill him.
Don't worry. That elephant is a menace to everyone in the forest. I know a fly who will certainly help us kill the elephant.
Both of them together went to seek the help of the fly.
Dear fly, this is my dearest friend. A wild elephant has crushed her eggs. You have to find a way to kill the elephant. We need your help.
One of my friends is a frog. Let's go to him and take his help too. He is very clever.
The she-sparrow, the woodpecker and the fly went to the frog and narrated the whole incident.
What can an elephant do in the face of a united group like us? We will succeed. Do what I tell you.
Woodpecker, if we follow his instructions, we will be able to destroy the elephant.
Dear Fly, go to the elephant when the sun is high in the sky and hum a sweet tune into his ears.
Why?
Listen, when he closes his eyes in delight, the woodpecker should scoop his eyes out. He will become blind. Wonderful. He will then feel thirsty and look for water. I will go to a marshy land and begin croaking there. Thinking that there is water, the elephant will step into the marsh.
Then?
He will sink into the marshy area and die. He can never come out.
Dear Frog, you're indeed clever. Will our plan work correctly? It will work if you believe in your strength. If you doubt, don't take up this job. We all will be killed. We believe in your words and we have the confidence that we will win.
The next day at noon, all the three played out the plan. The fly went and sang to the elephant. When the elephant closed its eyes, the woodpecker blinded the elephant. The elephant then began to search for water. The frog croaked at the right moment. The elephant plunged into the marsh and was drowned.
Hooray! The arrogant elephant is killed. All the animals of this forest will be greatly relieved from today.
There is nothing to fear hereafter.
Dear Frog, you have carved a great plan and have killed a huge elephant. Even the wild animals in the forest would be afraid to do this. God has given each of us some strength. If we use our strength in the correct way with confidence, we can even move a mountain. Excellent. Thank you, friends, for your efforts and kindness.
With the friendship and cooperation of her little friends, the little sparrow was able to destroy the mighty elephant.